Welcome back to Saving Mamacita. So excited to have you guys here with me today. You know how we do. We are so freaking excited for unboxings. Today is a candle box unboxing that many of you have probably heard of from my other videos that I have done. You can check those out right up there. This is one of my favorite candle subscription box companies so far that I've discovered. This is called Vellabox. Love this brand. Super excited to see what is in my April box, you guys. So Vellabox is a monthly subscription box for you candle lovers. When you go to their website, you guys, you are gonna absolutely fall in love with it if you are a candle fanatic like myself. I love how the website is laid out. It's beautiful. You are able to set up a profile where you are going to indicate the types of scents that appeal to you most, whether it be fruity, woodsy, floral, sweet, that kind of thing. You choose your own adventure, basically. For me, I am a fan of sweet scents. I do like floral with it, but it has to have that sweet note in it for me to really fall in love with it. Vellabox has a couple different options when it comes to your budget. So if you aren't looking to spend a whole lot per month on a candle subscription, but you do want to try different scents, they do have an option that starts out around the $10 range. I believe you're gonna pay shipping for that, but it's definitely worth it. Every box that I've received for them has come intact. I've never had a candle that has been broken or that has had any sort of issue with the candle inside. So very awesome. I don't know what they do, but they're doing it right. So it came in a little box like this, and then inside the box is a mini box like this. It looks the same every month, but when you open it up, it is different. And I love the simplicity of this box. If you look on the outside, you guys, it does say it's artisan made. They have an elevated design, natural ingredients, eco-friendly packaging, luxury scents. And on the side, it says recycle after use. They keep the packaging minimal in an effort to cut down on unnecessary waste. So they encourage you to recycle the box, reuse what you can inside the box, and you're gonna see what I mean here when we open it up. Are you ready? All right, so I go ahead and I get the Viviere, which is the most expensive monthly subscription box. However, the candle is a lot larger. It's gonna last you 70+ hours, which I absolutely love, and super cool. They always have a cute little image here with a quote on it. This month it says, "We know more from nature than we can at will communicate. Its light flows into the mind evermore, and we forget its presence." Ralph Waldo Emerson. And what is super cool is they have a little Spotify playlist there. If you take your phone and you scan it, you can be brought right to the playlist that they selected. Turn it on, light your candle, lay in the bath, enjoy some peace with their playlist and the beautiful candle. Also inside, they have a free gift as well. This month, it looks like we have, surprise item is the propagation cone. So happy Earth Month. Yes, April is Earth Month. In an effort to cut down on packaging waste, we present you with a tool that will encourage the reuse of your jar. So after burning is complete, remove the wick and clean up the remaining wax in your candle jar. Fill the jar with water and place the cone, that would be this right here, the cone with on top. It fits over all the Vellabox candle sizes. Rest your plant cutting at the center of the hole and submerge the stem in the water below. Watch your plant root and grow. So a nice little option for you to get started on growing a plant. What a great idea. Hide nor hair. Complex scents, simple packaging, and strong values shows itself in every aspect of Hide Nor Hair's process. Owner Jenny made it her priority to create a candle that did not contain any animal ingredients. And then she took it a step further to make sure it was free of any toxins, phthalates, additives, dyes, or environmentally harmful packaging. Hide in Her Hair offers careful curated and custom blended scents largely inspired by nature, wanderlust, and the changing seasons. On top of it all, they donate 5% of their profits to JP Farm Animal Sanctuary in Connecticut. And that is where their company is based out of, is Canton, Connecticut. What's inside? There are 3 different options that you could have received. You could receive the Santino for fans of woodsy scents, the Camellia for fans of citrus and herbal, or Rainwater for fans of floral. This is the bag that it comes in. I love these canvas bags, you guys. So eco-friendly. They are different colors every single month. They've got the cute little cinch burlap rope here on the top. And you can reuse these bags. You can reuse them for anything you want. I like to store jewelry in them. You can use them for gifts if you have a small gift that you want to wrap. Here it is, the Hide in Her Hair. Yes, if you guessed, the Camellia, you are correct. It has the notes of white tea, mandarin, ginger, and jasmine. That has a very familiar scent to me, and I can't quite pinpoint it. Kind of smells like lilacs in a way. If you watched my previous candle unboxings, you guys know I don't like the wham bam, thank you ma'am scents that are in your face. I like the subtlety of the notes in candles. Very fresh, it's very clean. I can imagine this one in a bathroom for sure. I got the candle and I got the propagation cone. Let's go ahead, you guys, and give Vellabox a rating. Are you ready? Go ahead and rate that box, rate that box, rate that box, rate that box. So when we rate the box, we rate based on a few different factors. We rate based on the packaging of the box. We rate based on the quality of the items in the box, as well as the price point of the box, the retail value, the description items in the box, all of those things. You know how we do based on a scale of 1 to 10. 1 being don't go there, or 10, yes please, put your thinking hats on, you guys. Let's go ahead and give Vellabox a rating. Hit that drum, please. Vellabox April box, you are going to get a rating of a 7. You got a 7, you got a 7, you got a 7. I have to say Vellabox is totally consistent when it comes to packaging. They've got it down. They've got it down. It is consistent every single time. Every single time I get a candle that is intact, packaged beautifully, in the canvas tote, with a nice description. This scent, yes, it was probably my best option of the 3 choices. However, I'm not loving the scent like I've loved previous scents. That is why I gave it a 7 versus a 9. What's your favorite scent? What's your favorite candle scent? Have you tried Vellabox? If so, what is your favorite scent that you've ever received from Vellabox? Let me know down in the comments down below. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that like, hit the subscribe button, notification bell, and we will see you guys in the next video.